cute smile. I just started and you were like, we're leaving the gym and I was debating not vlogging today because nothing's really going on. And I realized I'm working all day tomorrow and I can't vlog tomorrow. So I guess we're vlogging today. And we're going to go register my car. And that's about as exciting as this day gets. It's gonna cost me a lot of money.
Y'all can come watch me play Apex.
The riveting content everyone wants.
The riveting content. I can't say words.
But yeah, we just went to the gym. That's it.
Yeah. How's your workout?
That was good.
What'd you do?
Arms. What'd you do?
Arms as well. Arms and abs. Tries and buys. Tries and buys.
Isn't that just your arms? Doesn't that make up your arm?
Well, you got your forearm you can work out.
Anyway, I don't know any.
Deltoid.
This is not fitness content because I don't know anything. I just do my best. What? Yeah, it's Molly's gift, so I'll show it. Hi guys, so I need to film on my actual camera, but I was just opening up a package because I didn't know what it was. Yeah, I know. They're coming in separate packages.
Oh, okay.
But it was a gift for someone, so
Can't
I
let that
can't
out.
show it. I like it.
It is cool. She's gonna love it.
And honestly, I took a nap and I didn't get my car registered because I couldn't. So
But hey, we're
that's
working
how our day's going.
towards that.
Yeah. And we're gonna do something festive today, maybe. I don't know what.
Festive? We are? Yes, we are. I don't know.
I don't know. Maybe we could drive around. We can look at Christmas lights after dinner.
Okay. Let's do it.
No, that sounded painful. I look like a potato.
You're my potato, though.
Wow. Alright, hi guys. I look scary. But I'm gonna put makeup on right now. I'm in my jammies. It's just one of those days, you know? I took a nap. I didn't do anything productive. And now I have to go to work in like, excuse me, I have to leave in an hour, a little less than an hour. So I'm gonna put some makeup on so I don't scare the children. And yeah, I just thought I'd make a time lapse of that because I don't have any content for today. And that's the truth. And I'm watching YouTube videos because Vlogmas is in full swing and I love it. Oh my god, do you see my neck? What is wrong with my neck? Well, I know what's wrong, it's self-tanner, but... Wow, this stuff makes such a difference. I look like... God, what? Why didn't anyone tell me my neck looks like this? Okay, everyone run, don't walk, and get the CoverGirl Clean Professional friggin' pressed, or not pressed powder, loose powder. That just made my skin, it was like looking really patchy and yucky with that foundation, but it just made it look so good. I didn't know that it did this because I forgot. why I don't sit down and do my makeup in like this mirror anymore, because you can see everything and it's not cute, but that actually made it look a lot better. Okay, continue the time lapse. Alright guys, I finished my hair and makeup and now I'm heading to work. Dylan's in a nap. Where are you?
Hi.
And then we're gonna have some dinner. Dylan's gonna pick up. What?
What are we gonna have? Dylan's
picking up steak tips and broccoli and rolls. Because that just sounded the best.
Am I getting real broccoli?
It doesn't matter. Okay. Whatever works. And a lemon, because I'm obsessed with lemon broccoli. So, I gotta go to work. Hi guys, time for dinner. Alright, I need to get working because I need to eat.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Okay. Alright, so that is ready. It looks so good.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, I took those to get the broccoli. We got steak, broccoli, and a roll, and it looks delicious. I'm gonna try the broccoli. So good.
Is it?
So lemony. Could use a little more garlic, but it's so good.
Make sense for the steak.
Yeah, it looks really good, babe. Thank you.
Thank you for the broccoli.
I'm all red. Hi guys, we're driving to go look at Christmas lights. We've been listening to Christmas music, and we're actually going to the next town over because they have better lights, honestly.
Wait, what was that?
Just better lights.
What? No.
Only better lights.
What? You said just the next town is
over
better. Yeah. Okay.
has better lights.
Yeah, it's better. Okay.
That's where Dylan grew up, and I grew up in the other town. Oh, look, this is cute.
Oh, Bill.
Cute.
The better town.
No. Just the better lights.
Yeah, the better town.
You're a little more Christmassy then. Well, it's like, this is central, like all of ours are like spread out, but you can just like go here and like look. Sorry, I just turned the light off.
I don't know why you did that.
Because I want to be able to see the lights. But we're gonna listen to Christmas music and I'll show some of the lights. But I want to be able to enjoy them, so yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope you liked coming with us. I hope you like coming with us to watch. What am I saying?
Words.
I hope you like coming with us to look at Christmas lights tonight. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Mariah Nicole with 2 A's and 2 E's, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!